Back pain is one of the most common causes for people to seek medical care, and it's why you clicked on this video. I'm Jeffrey, physical therapist, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will reveal 6 exercises that can help with your back pain, and they're all named after animals. Disclaimer, perform the exercises at your own risk, of course. If your pain is worse, stop, and if your pain is better, I'll take the credit. Also, understand that back pain is caused by multiple factors, and exercise is just one part of it. In terms of exercises, I like to address both strengthening and mobility. Out of my list of exercises, you can choose to do one of them or all of them. You are in control of your body. Exercise number 1, the bird dog. It is a core stability exercise. You start on all fours. You can start with reaching with alternating arms only or legs only. Keep the spine pretty much neutral while moving your opposite arms and legs. Don't have to reach them too high. You can do it for reps or for holds. Exercise number 2, the dead bug. It is a beginner core exercise, so if your back pain is quite intense, start with this. While lying on your back, bring both arms straight up and legs in a 90-90 position. Start by just holding that position, or you can also add in opposite arm and leg movements. You can use weights or bands as progression. Exercise number 3, the prone cobra. This exercise strengthens the back extensors and glutes. Lie flat on your stomach with arms at your side, then try to lift up your chest and legs off the ground at the same time. If this is too challenging, don't lift up too much, just think about engaging those muscles. You can also do prone cobra press up to move the spine more into extension for mobility purposes. Exercise number 4, the bear crawl. This basically works the entire body from your wrist to your toes. Start on all fours and lift the knees off the ground. This is key. Now you're ready to crawl around. Maybe perform privately when no one's around so it doesn't look like you're auditioning for the ring. I like the bear crawl to get your body moving in a flex position that we're typically not in. You can just practice holding the position or crawl in different directions as well. Exercise number 5, the cat-cow. This is a pretty popular exercise to get the spine moving in both flexion in the cat position and in extension, the cow position. Start on all fours, keep the shoulders and hips in the same position. Allow the back to round up and then drop down in controlled motions. If you're having too much pain toward the end ranges, just move within your tolerance to start. Once you're able to do it pretty well, try progressing to moving the spine segment by segment. Exercise number 6, the scorpion stretch. Lie flat on your stomach with arms out to the side while keeping your upper body flat. Try to start rolling over with your lower body and reach your leg to the opposite side. Rotation is important as our spine and body move in all planes. Keep the movement controlled and you can do it for holds or reps. Those are the 6 exercises to help with your back pain. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys learned something new. Thumbs up if you enjoyed my drawings and share it with someone going through back pain right now. Click here to watch me debunk some common back pain myths.